This is our 5th video of 8 where we're teaching you how to make more money as a one-on-one coach in a group fitness facility. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to structure a training plan. Money as a one packages, how many sessions do you sell, and how do you make this facility? Stick around and check it out. At the end, you know their goals, you know their strengths, you know their weaknesses. You're going to write for them a 12 workout program. Yes. You don't give them the program. You give them the first session of the program. You execute the first session of the program. So you show them, I have 12 workouts for you that I designed. We're going to go through the first one today. And now most of the time, the trap is you have it on your phone, you have it on, you wrote down one workout, and people watching you in class think you're on your phone. They don't know you were looking at a workout. You have one workout, pigeon scratched onto a whiteboard, and they don't feel like you prepared. So you guys are going to type up on a spreadsheet 12 workouts where they can see workout 1 through 12. And you're going to take them through workout number 1. You're going to have a clipboard that you're going to hold it on. You're going to have a stopwatch. You're going to have a shirt that we're going to talk to him about that is going to designate that you are doing one-on-one coaching. And the only time that shirt gets worn is when you're coaching somebody one-on-one. What's going to start to happen is people are going to notice, oh, they're holding a program for somebody on a clipboard. That's weird. No one ever uses a clipboard here. What's going on over there? They have a stopwatch around their neck. Why don't they just use the clock on the wall? And what does that red shirt mean? And people are going to start to understand through seeing it that other people do one-on-one training in this gym. And what do most people want? Attention. They want what other people have. Right? So when people see that other people are getting personal training, that's what they're going to want. If you go to a really good, high-performing Globo gym, where do you think most of the personal training occurs? I'll just skip it for you. Right across from all the cardio equipment. You walk into an Equinox, elliptical, Stairmaster, long stride elliptical, treadmill, all right there where your rowers are set up. This area here is where all the free weights in the space are. So that while you're sitting on your elliptical, feeling shitty about your physique, and you're watching that hot chick over there train with that hot coach, you're like, man, I wish I could do that. And you get to advertise that to yourself every day you come in. It's not an accident. You need to look specifically ready to do this. Okay? When they show up, your client, you're ready. You're in your uniform. You have your clipboard out. You have your stopwatch on. You have their program on top. You're ready before they're ready. There isn't like, let me go grab your stuff and then we'll go. No, they're your number one priority. You're ready to rock. You inform them, I want you to warm up before you even get in. By warm up, I mean heat up. Just go hop on the rower for 5 minutes. I'll take you through the rest of it. Because the warm up is actually really important. I want it to be specific for you. But heat up for me first, because I don't want to waste your time with you rowing while I'm standing next to you. Okay? This is how the session is going to look. This session, remember, is based off of what you found in the assessment, based off of their goals, based off of their movement deficiencies, based off of their strengths. You're not writing out WODs. You're writing out fixes for their problems. Now, when the session's over, so they bought 12, let's just say your sheet looks like this. Right, and you have session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? This was their free session. You don't get paid for this. The gym doesn't get paid for it. You did it for free. I think we can really help you. Did you enjoy today's session? Yes. I got carried away. I wrote you 12 workouts because I really don't like to do anything one workout at a time. I need a plan to work off of, and I really think we can get somewhere if we do all of this. What do you think? are you in? You sell it however you're comfortable selling it. Preferably it's done before the free session, but you still give them the free session, right? Somebody says yes to you, okay? You're gonna sell 12, 24, 48 session packs. All multiples of 12, like the math I couldn't do before, right? This is the first session that they're going to do that they have paid for. What is the last session on a 12-session plan that they purchased? What number is it? What? Day one of the next cycle. Can you guys get someone to be ready to progress the movements after 12 workouts, where the workouts are kind of totally different? Great. Their last workout, you show up. You have your clipboard out. You have their program out like you do every day. You're in your red shirt. You're fucking ready to rock. They're excited. They're getting great progress. This is session number 13, the last one that they purchased. Totally different than what they've been doing before. Responsibly. You're not just going to do this to get someone to buy. It's got to be responsible. But you're making changes here. Hey, that was a great workout. I'd love to go through the rest of the progressions. You don't have to say it. It's understood. This is your next program. Remember what we did last time. Do you want to do it again? If they bought 24, where would they end up? 48, right? They're always going to end up on the first session of the new plan. Okay? This is how you build things out for people who you want to be training 2-3 times a week. 3 times a week, really. And we're not talking about all of that. So let's just separate our two types of clients here. This is the person who wants you 3 times a week, who you want 3 times a week. They're a mess. You need more time with them up front.
Given I don't really know yet what your idea, like what these workouts are, but if they're coming in 3 times a week to a training session, how many days a week are they still coming to class that they're paying membership for?
Yes, good question. So if they're coming to week for a training session with you 3 times, how many times do they actually come to class to work out? How many times do you think somebody needs to come and do high-intensity training during the week? 4 to 5? 2? You? How many times would you say someone needs to come do high-intensity training during a week?
Outside of this?
This is not going to be WODs. So yeah. Okay. I believe it's somewhere between 2 and 3 for the average person who just wants to be generally fit. So to me, twice. And maybe sometimes it's after this. These might not be hour sessions. They might be 45-minute sessions that are sold at an hour price. Yes?
Okay, so 2 things. Number 1, what we talked about earlier in the beginning is we don't want to be here for just one person.
I got you. I'm going to get there.
So then the second thing is they have 3 days. So now, Tyler does the programming for the gym. We have to know in advance what those other days are, because they're not all like high net contact days. Sometimes it's just strength training, and they have.
How far in advance does your programming come out?
When does it come out?
When do the coaches know?
Oh, yeah, gotta get better at that.
Okay, so that's got to start at the top. The coaches need to know the programming so that they can help the client decide what days to come in on. Now, the answer to your question in short is, what's the priority for the client in the moment? Right? If they're really frustrated, if they're really experiencing pain, are we just going to try to be like, listen, go to the gym 3-4 times and we'll figure this out? Or are you going to tell them the hard truth, which is you need more of this right now than class?
Okay.